20 application kit can be used on beards, mustaches, sideburns, temples, anywhere you need a little color. Root touch-up to cover gray hair. Complete kit. Everything you need included to get started. 20 single application pre-measured capsules covers the most resistant gray hair. Cream formula, no drip, for easy application. This product is not intended for use on the eyelashes or eyebrows. Godefroy Tint Kit is ideal for coloring small areas of the scalp and facial hair. Pre-measured in separate units, it gives you the versatility to use the exact amount of color you need with no waste. Great for use on beards, mustaches, sideburns, temples, anywhere you need a little color. Covers the most resistant gray hair for up to 6 weeks. Top reviews from the United States. A product that actually gives me eyebrows. I love this product. I have very light and thin eyebrows. I can use the pencil, but that only lasts so long. Found this product and loved it the first time I used it. It gave me beautiful colored brows that lasted a long time. Will definitely keep using this.